Hello students, welcome to the accounts class. Now we will go through the last method in your syllabus, that is capitalization of super profit for finding the value of goodwill. Let's see how goodwill is calculated under this method. So under this method, capitalized value of super profit is calculated by using a formula. So the formula is goodwill equals to super profit divided by capitalization rate into 100. So what is the meaning of capitalization? Capitalization means expected value of capital and the rate of return. So many things are given in the sum, like super profit is not given directly, normal profit, average maintainable profit and capitalization rate are given. So we use a formula, that return on capital divided by M. So where P stands for average maintainable profit. Average maintainable profit means the average profit earned by the firm actually. R means normal rate of return. Normal rate of return means the rate of return which is available in the industry. C means, I have already discussed what is capital employed. Capital employed means total assets minus current liability. Generally it is given in the sum. And M means capitalization rate. Capitalization rate is also given in the sum. Now with the help of an example, let's see how the values are calculated. Suppose average maintainable profit is given as rupees 50,000. Now that's rupees 3 lakh. So capital employed equals to rupees 3 lakhs. Suppose normal rate of return in the industry or in that market is 15%. Suppose capitalization rate is also given 20%. The value of goodwill using all this information. So equals to average maintainable profit normal profit. So goodwill equals to So the value of super profit will be multiplied with capital employed will yield normal profit. So normal profit is 45,000 and average maintainable profit is rupees 50,000. So super profit will be 5,000. Now using the formula, super profit divided into 100. So here super profit is 5,000 and percent. So 5,000 divided by 20 into 100. That will be equals to rupees 25,000, and this is the value of goodwill. Alternatively, we can calculate using that formula also, that is goodwill equals to P minus RC by M. So here goodwill will be equals to divided M. So P is given, average maintainable profit is rupees 50,000. Again, return on capital X, that is capital employed. So 15% of rupees 3 lakh divided by capitalization ratio, that is 20%. So 50 minus 45,000 divided by 20 into 100. So by calculation we will get again the same amount, rupees 25,000. So you will get the same value of goodwill. So this was the method. Thanks.